At Tiffany, we manufacture high-end luxury goods, from fine jewelry to high jewelry to trophies to a wide variety of home and accessories. Craftsmanship is core to everything we do at Tiffany. Precision has to move at pace. Tiffany's historically was US-made production with a lot of the higher complexity pieces purchased in Europe. What we've been able to do with Tulip is actually quickly make higher complexity pieces here in the United States at the same pace at a very competitive price that we've seen overseas.
What's different about the jewelry that we have to produce today is the element of functionality. Our jewelry has to have hinges where a skill needs to be trained for the mechanism to work over and over again.
So while our techniques are rich in history and have centuries-old processes, we want to enhance those techniques with new digital tools. So that's what's so powerful about this transformation. It's not just replacing, it's scaling.
With the use of the Tulip Work Construction app, we have been able to significantly accelerate an employee's growth at the bench. What used to take someone years to move through levels of promotion now simply takes months.
Introducing new products has gone from a pace of one every quarter to almost every week now.
Through the use of Tulip with our training department, we are implementing how we are going to make it and what the quality requirements are right from the beginning in product development all the way through new product launch to ensure that the aesthetic and the quality that's in the design from the beginning is met with our finished good product that we ship.
Tulip is used across all 4 of our internal manufacturing facilities, allowing us to take very complex processes and make clear visual work instructions, efficiency tracking, and in-process quality checks.
Basically share the best practices with everybody in a common platform that allows us to scale up and move faster than we ever have before.
We're starting to explore AI for training, real-time insights, and onboarding. We use Tulip AI to translate all of our work instructions that are available in both English and Spanish to provide the same content in various languages.
The ability to tailor our work instructions by operations has significantly increased our efficiency at the jeweler bench. Whether you're a jeweler, a setter, or a polisher, you have a unique set of work instructions that are tailored to your direct skill, and it will help walk you through what the exact aesthetic requirements are of that product.
In Tulip, we're connected to our ERP system that allows live feedback and updates, like issuing precious metals, as well as labor backflushing, seamlessly synced in the background.
Tulip helps support compliance at the machine level by ensuring that the operators have the most up-to-date information at their fingertips in real time at all times.
With Tulip, we're able to complete process changes within days, if not a day. Prior, it may have taken us weeks or months, and with this quick turnaround, our operators get the correct information, allowing for changes to be implemented faster and product to be shipped quicker.
Tulip isn't used just for execution, but it's also used for continuous improvement. We utilize all of the data that it provides to benchmark our best practices, eliminate waste, and improve the competitiveness of our product. There's also a very intangible value to Tulip. Our operators actually feel like their voice is heard, that their craftsmanship is able to come through by automating and digitizing some of that workload. We can allow the craft to spend more time at their bench, more time producing beautiful pieces and interpreting the artistic intent of the jewelry that we're making.
We're scaling both complexity and quality. And with Tulip, we're able to allow new craftspeople to step in with ease and provide a final product that meets the Tiffany Gold standard.
Although the techniques of jewelry manufacturing may not have changed in the last 100 years or so, Tulip has allowed us to be nimble and change on a dime while still ensuring the same quality and aesthetic is met.